Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate followers option on Facebook app. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Tap open your Facebook application from your app drawer and make sure that you're logged into your Facebook account. Once you're logged in, from the main homepage of Facebook, tap on the menu button at the bottom right hand corner. Tap on Profile Settings from the options. Now, tap on Public Posts option. Under Who Can Follow Me, make sure you've selected Public. You can choose to keep your number of followers secret by tapping Only Me from the next option, or if you want it to be visible to others as well, tap on either Friends or Public. Also select who is allowed to comment on your public posts by selecting one of the options right beneath. If you scroll a bit down, you'll be able to see an option that says Public Post Notifications. You can get notifications when people who aren't your friends start following you and share, like, or comment on your post. If you want to turn on notifications for the public post notification, select either Everyone or Friends of Friends. If you don't want to receive notifications from public, tap on No One. Right where it says Public Profile Info, you can manage who can like or comment on profile information that is public on your Facebook. Select one of the options, and after you're done, you can now go back. Once you enable these settings, you'll be able to activate follower option on Facebook. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.